how to delete your Instagram account. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started right away because it's actually super easy to do, but it might be a little bit different for you than it will be for me. So I'm going to explain it in a bit, but yeah, let's get started. Now, first of all, you want to open up the settings just like that. Well, as you can see, my settings are completely changed than they used to be before. Now, if you have these new settings like I have, then it's super easy. If you still have the old settings, then it's a bit harder for me to explain, but what I can do is simply go to Help Center, and here I can search for delete. Now, delete account is this article over here at the top, and here there are two methods in order to completely delete your Instagram account. Now, the first one is to request the permanent deletion of your account from your Instagram app. Now, that is if you have the old settings still. This over here is if you have the new settings like I have. So then you want to do it from the account center. So basically the steps are open up your settings, tap account, then tap delete account, and then tap continue deleting account. Select a reason why, and then re-enter your password, and then you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Now, to actually do this with the new settings, it is written right over here, and that is what I'm going to show you real quick. So first of all, you want to go back and then open up the settings again. Now here at the top, you can see Account Center, and that is where you want to click on. Once you've clicked on there, you want to go to Personal Details, and then right over here, you can see Account Ownership and Control. Now that is where you want to click on, and here it says deactivation or deletion. So click on there again, select your Instagram account. Then over here, you can either choose to deactivate your account or completely delete your account for always permanently. So deactivating your account, then your account will be deactivated until you log back into your account again. Then your account will just be gone from Instagram, but you can still log back in. So it's if you want to take a break or something. And then delete your account is, of course, if you want to permanently delete your account. So it will be gone for always. And that is where you want to click on if you want to do that. And then simply click on continue. Then here you have to select a reason. And after that, I believe you have to enter your password. And then you will be able to delete your account.